Welcome to the exciting world of swing trading. Unlike traditional buy and hold investing, swing trading involves holding stocks for a short period of time, typically a few days to a few weeks, in order to profit from price movements. Swing trading has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its potential for high returns and flexibility. By taking advantage of short-term market fluctuations, swing traders can often generate significant profits without having to tie up their capital for extended periods of time. Swing trading is a popular strategy among traders because it offers several benefits. One of the main advantages of swing trading is that it allows traders to take advantage of short-term price movements. This means that traders can make profits even in a volatile market, which can be difficult with other trading strategies. Another benefit of swing trading is that it requires less time and effort than other trading strategies. Traders do not need to constantly monitor the markets, as they would with day trading, for example. This makes swing trading a good option for those who have limited time to devote to trading. Oliver Velez is a well-known trader and educator who has developed his own unique approach to swing trading. His methodology is based on the idea of identifying trends and using technical indicators to enter and exit trades at the most opportune times. One of the key differences between Velez's approach and other swing trading methods is his emphasis on risk management. He believes that successful traders must prioritize protecting their capital above all else, and he teaches his students how to use stop-loss orders and other risk-reducing strategies to minimize losses and maximize profits. One of the most important technical indicators for swing trading is the moving average. This indicator helps traders identify trends by smoothing out price fluctuations over a certain period of time. For example, a 50-day moving average can help traders identify the overall trend of a stock over the past 50 days. If the current price is above the moving average, it may be a bullish signal, while if it's below the moving average, it may be a bearish signal. Another important technical indicator for swing trading is the Relative Strength Index, RSI. This indicator measures the strength of a stock's price action and can help traders identify potential reversal points. A reading above 70 may indicate that a stock is overbought and due for a pullback, while a reading below 30th may indicate that a stock is oversold and due for a rebound. Effective risk management is crucial for successful swing trading. Without proper risk management, a trader can easily lose all their profits in a single trade. One of the key strategies for managing risk is setting stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order placed with a broker to sell a security when it reaches a certain price. This helps to limit losses and prevent emotional decision-making. Another important strategy for managing risk is diversification. By spreading investments across different sectors and asset classes, traders can reduce the impact of any single investment on their portfolio. Additionally, traders should always have a clear exit strategy in place before entering a trade. This ensures that they are not caught off guard by sudden market movements. In conclusion, swing trading is a popular and effective trading strategy that can lead to significant profits. By using key technical indicators and Oliver Velez's methodology, traders can identify potential trades and maximize their returns. However, it is important to also prioritize risk management and minimize potential losses. To become a successful swing trader, it is crucial to stay informed about market trends and news, as well as continuously educate yourself on new strategies and techniques. Additionally, having a disciplined approach to trading and being patient with your investments can pay off in the long run. Remember to always have a plan and stick to it, even when emotions are running high. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Swing Trading with Oliver Velez by Oliver L. Velez.